Charlie's a little baby. He is a little baby.
Charlie, say hello.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm playing the dollhouse.
What are you doing, Jack?
Charlie's a little bit sick up there because he got to lay down yet. And she's coming
Is it your
around.
horsey, Jack?
She's coming around.
Is it your horsey? Should we turn it on?
Ah. Oh, look.
Glot?
Oh,
What has she got?
she's got a flu.
Oh.
That was a naughty trick to do. It's a baby bike, John. It's a big little bike. Watch out, everyone. Take this off. But I wanted to put but I want these off. Why can't I have these on? Oh.